First, let's talk about the jobs most directly in the line of fire. We're seeing a massive disruption in what we typically call white-collar professions. Think about roles that involve repetitive, predictable tasks with data. Data entry clerks, for example. For a long time, this was a stable entry-level job. But today's AI can read, understand, and input data from documents, emails, and forms with superhuman speed and accuracy. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't make typos after a long day. This leads to a really concerning trend that economists call job polarization. Imagine the job market as a ladder. You used to have lots of rungs in the middle: stable, mid-skill, middle-class jobs. These are the jobs we just talked about: the data analysts, the support staff, the bookkeepers. Now, AI is essentially sawing off those middle rungs. What's left? You have a growing number of high-skill, high-paying jobs at the very top of the ladder, and a growing number of low-skill, low-wage service jobs at the very bottom. The middle is getting hollowed out. At the top, you have roles that require deep expertise, critical thinking, and creativity, the skills needed to design, manage, and collaborate with AI systems. These are the AI engineers, the data scientists, the strategic thinkers. They are in high demand and can command huge salaries because they are the ones building and steering this new technology. Then, at the bottom, you have jobs that AI currently can't do well. These are often physical, in-person service jobs that require dexterity, empathy, and social interaction. Think of restaurant workers, elder care providers, or delivery drivers. While these jobs are safe from AI for now, they typically offer lower wages, fewer benefits, and less job security. This widening gap is a huge societal challenge. It creates an economy of haves and have-nots, where the AI-literate pull further ahead, and those stuck in the disappearing middle struggle to find their footing. Without a strong middle class, economic stability is at risk. This isn't just about individual jobs being lost. It's about the very fabric of our economy being reshaped into a more unequal and polarized structure. By 2026, this trend will be undeniable, and the pressure on those in mid-skill jobs to either skill up or be pushed down will be immense. But before you start panicking, let's be very clear. This is not a story of doom and gloom. Every major technological revolution in history has destroyed jobs, but it has also created entirely new ones. The AI revolution is no different. We are standing on the edge of a new frontier of work, with brand new job categories emerging that didn't even exist 5 or 10 years ago. Let's talk about the exciting part. The most obvious new role is the AI engineer or machine learning specialist. These are the architects of the new world, the people who build, train, and fine-tune the AI models that are changing everything. This is a booming field, and the demand for talent is astronomical. But you don't have to be a coding genius to thrive. Consider the rise of the prompt engineer. This is a fascinating new job that's essentially about being a master communicator with an AI. Prompt engineers are experts at crafting the perfect questions and instructions to get the most accurate, creative, and useful results out of generative AI like Chat or Midjourney. It's a blend of art and science, requiring language skills, logic, and a deep understanding of how the AI thinks. Think of it as being a translator between human intent and machine language. Beyond these specific roles, the biggest shift is towards human-AI collaboration. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines. A doctor using AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy. A lawyer using AI to sift through thousands of legal documents in minutes to find the key evidence. A marketing professional using AI to generate dozens of campaign ideas and then using their human creativity to pick and refine the best one. In this model, AI acts as a powerful assistant, a co-pilot that handles the grunt work, freeing up humans to focus on what we do best: strategy, creative problem-solving, empathy, and leadership. The most valuable professionals of the near future will be those who can leverage AI as a tool to amplify their own abilities. This isn't about replacement, it's about augmentation. So, here we are, facing this monumental shift by 2026. The old map of the job market is being redrawn. What do you do? Hiding your head in the sand is not an option. The single most important thing you can do is embrace a mindset of continuous learning and adaptation. The idea of getting a degree and then working in the same field for 40 years is over. Your skills, not just your job title, are your new currency. You need to adopt a skills-first mindset. Ask yourself, what skills do I have? And how can they be applied in an AI-powered world? How can I learn to use AI as a tool in my current role? Don't wait for your company to offer a training program. Be proactive. There are countless free and low-cost resources online, from YouTube tutorials to courses on platforms like Coursera and edX. Start playing with AI tools, open up Check, and see how it can help you write emails or brainstorm ideas. Use AI image generators to spark your creativity. The key is to build your AI literacy now. You need to become comfortable working alongside these systems. Reskilling is not a sign of failure, it's a sign of intelligence and adaptability. Maybe you're an accountant. Instead of worrying about AI taking your job, learn how to use AI-powered accounting software to become a more strategic financial advisor for your clients. Maybe you're in customer service. Learn how to manage the AI chatbot systems and handle the escalated, high-value customer interactions. The future belongs to the lifelong learners, the curious, the adaptable. The change is coming, and it's coming fast. But by being proactive, by focusing on your skills, and by learning to collaborate with this incredible new technology, you can position yourself not just to survive the year 2026, but to lead the way into a new and exciting era of work. Thank you so much for watching. If this got you thinking, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to navigate our rapidly changing world. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What are you doing to prepare? Let's continue the conversation.